Some boats are built for the marina. This one is built for the Horizon PC52, and it was built to spend more time on the water and less time worrying about the weather. Built by Horizon Yachts in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Power catamaran. 40 years of custom yacht craft in every hull. Twin hulls underfoot. The kind of platform that holds a deck of cards flat at 20 knots. Past the breakwater, through the chop, into open water. And the floor is still level when you reach the sandbar. The foredeck opens up like a deck above the waterline. Twin sun pads forward, coffee in hand before anyone else is up. Below, 3 staterooms across the 2 hulls, one in each, like having 2 cottages and a salon between them. The flybridge runs the whole length of the upper deck. Second helm, wet bar, sun deck stretching back. You'll spend more time up there than anywhere else. Drop anchor in the cove, slip into the water off the back, lunch on the flybridge, dinner in the salon, dessert under the stars. The full beam salon catches every angle of light through floor-to-ceiling glass. Galley flows to dining. Dining flows to cockpit. Nothing pulls you back inside before you're ready. This is the boat you take when the marina feels small. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.